So there's a couple of elements that are really important about this. First of all, my name is Geraldine Orozco. I'm an epigenetic psychotherapist, clinical hypnotherapist, and intuitive. And I've actually tuned into this actually many years ago, 2017, when I first saw that we're going to have many visitations, many experiences of sightings of these visitors in our space. Now, what we're seeing in this object, it's not going to be the first object that we are seeing. When we talk about vision and what's in visible light, remember that we're talking about the human spectrum of light that is visible to us. And when the entire human race and the solar system can tune in to a frequency of an object that is moving through our space at a trajectory that's exactly at the elliptical plane, this is not just by chance, and it's one of many. And there are three main objects that have come in at this time, not only the 3iAtlas, but the reason for this is that there's this concept of the veil is thinning. Right now, we are moving from one period 9 into the very year 1. Next year is the beginning of period 9. This is the 9th year, which is the ending of cycles. And with the ending of cycles, it really marks the ending of a vibrational frequency. We are collectively moving from one octave into a higher octave. And the move into that higher octave requires for the veil to thin, for us to have more vision of a broader spectrum of visibility for us beyond the light spectrum, which means that we're going to be seeing and experiencing more interdimensional awareness. We're going to have more interdimensional awareness. So the same is true for this space, for space and for what surrounds us, because again, the solar system, we are a fractal of the solar system. And so when we have objects entering into the body of the solar system, which we have within our own physical body, we have to take a look at what is happening. There's so much turmoil in the earth that is going to completely change from now into the year 2026. We're going to go through major deconstructions of old systems for the restructure of a new society, a new system. So this really marks the beginning, the change of that. And with this object being one of a shift in frequency in the collective of the solar system, it's also happening internally to us. Now, what I was shown actually a couple weeks ago is that what is happening with this object at the molecular level, just the structure of what it's made out of. When we talk about frequency and when we see major objects like this visible to us, it's an invitation to understand what is the frequency of the object. The frequency of the object itself is made of nickel